Hey guys, it's Southern Gardener here. Today I will be harvesting and cooking up my collard greens. So what you want to do, you can see, these are my collard greens. You're just going to go to the bottom leaves and you're going to peel them off like that. Bend them off. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not going to eat that one, but collard greens have lots of nutrients in them for you. A cooked cup of collard greens is only around 50 calories, so very, very good for you, and low calories for those who count their calories. Very good source of calcium for those who are on a dairy-free diet. Very, very beneficial to you. So I'm gonna get all these. I'm gonna leave this right here so it can give me new growth, and I can come back and harvest them. So let's start with this one. That one's a little tough. You want to leave the top few leaves on so it doesn't kill the plant and they will grow back. And I think I'm going to cut these as well. All right. Last plant. I'll also put a recipe in with this video and how to cook them. Now the stem, as you can see, the stem in this plant and all of these leaves, they're kind of bitter. So what you want to do is when you go to prepare it, after you wash it several times, you want to fold them in half and take your knife right down it, take the stem out. Some people eat the stem in their collard greens. What they do is they chop them up after you get them de-stemmed and cook them up with your onions and any other like vegetables you want to put in there. Cook them up first. After they've cooked for like 10 or 15 minutes, then you add your leaves to it. All right. Hope this video was helpful. Bye guys.